Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mozzarella cheese easy guide. Start by heating 1 gallon of milk to 90 degrees F, add citric acid, then rennet, cut curds, gently heat and stir, drain weigh, microwave or stretch curds in hot water, fold and shape smooth mozzarella, chill briefly, then serve fresh. Salt to taste, keep water at about 175 degrees F for stretching, knead until glossy. Store in brine or use within 3 days for best flavor. Gather simple ingredients and tools to make soft mozzarella at home: whole milk, citric acid, liquid rennet, kosher salt, and optional calcium chloride. You'll also need a large pot, thermometer, slotted spoon, cheesecloth, and microwave-safe bowl or hot water bath. Measure carefully, keep milk cold before starting, and sanitize equipment to avoid contamination. Small changes affect texture, so weigh or measure ingredients consistently for repeatable results and better cheese. Practice improves results. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support home cheesemaking. Robot face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your kitchen tidy while you make mozzarella. It finds crumbs and takes care of floors so you focus on stretching curds. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Watch curd firmness closely. If curds are rubbery, lower heat and shorten stretching. If crumbly, ensure proper acidity and longer heating. Use salt dissolved in warm water to adjust flavor and texture during stretching. For recipes, reserve whey for soups or ricotta and serve mozzarella with tomatoes, basil, olive oil, or melted on pizza. Practice timing and temperatures. Small adjustments like 30 seconds or 5 degrees F can change the final texture noticeably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.